Alright, so new video. Also got a new camera, so let me know if the picture quality and the audio quality is a little better than the previous videos. Just kind of testing out as a first run. Just kind of want to make a short video just kind of showing that. Now, on to what we got now. I'm going to show you guys what this video is about, putting on a new shift knob. I know it sounds pretty dull, boring, but I didn't like the shift knob that was on the BMW, and so I needed something just a little bit better. So let's see what we got. Alright, so we got this new 3D printed shift knob. I got it from 3dpshift.com. I'm gonna have the website in the description to kind of show. They have different shapes and different lengths, and they have a weighted, non-weighted option. So went with the 5-inch weighted. It's pretty heavy. Got some good gravity in it. Got the original shift knob that I just hated. It's like this, like, I don't know, fake freaking foam. I didn't have the shift pattern in it either, so that's kind of what I got. But yeah, just wanted to kind of show. Got to pick this thing up, shipped to me for 35 bucks. It's 3D printed. It's really good, quality. Um, and it's threaded on the inside here. And what it does, they kind of have these like little adapter pieces. You can kind of see it's got the little tang in the top. And it's threaded on the outside. It has two pieces. And what you're doing is you're pretty much just wrapping it around the shift knob itself. Trying to get this thing to fucking focus, but Chinese. It goes around the shift knob, and I'm just gonna kind of go into the car and kind of show. But it's wrapped around the shift knob, and then you just thread that sumbitch on there. So let's go into the car and kind of show it. All right, so here we are, shift knob. Like I said, it's got this little slot in the top that these little pieces kind of 3D printing kind of fit into the slot, and you just kind of hold it together and just thread this knob on. So I'm gonna kind of set you guys up on a tripod while I watch doing it. All right, here we go. Kind of got you guys set up here. Um, there is a marking for left and right on these pieces, but I don't know if they're my left, someone else's left. I couldn't really tell a difference. So pretty much, they wrap around. There's a little a groove in the bottom of the shaft here, and there's also a little groove set in these little plastic clamshell pieces. So it kind of locates it down there in the bottom. So you pretty much just kind of locate them together, squeeze them some bitches on, squeeze it tight together. It should be enough to cause this piece to kind of thread in. Just threads on down. Alright, bottomed out. Much better, much better. I like it. Much better. Less effort. Alright, so that's that. Just wanted to show, putting that shift knob in. Gonna have the link down below when I bought. Just kind of show different, styles they got and everything. I'm just glad that this piece of shit shift knob is gone. I noticed when I was pulling it off that the little insert piece is coming out, so it was only a matter of time before it just completely let loose and just pulled off. Again, let me know how the camera goes. Before I was recording on this little Chinese little GoPro. It was working fine. I mean, I like it. It came with a bunch of accessories and everything. But yeah, just let me know how the audio is, how the video image quality is. Maybe it's different from the other videos, kind of thing. Just let me know. I know when I was recording that shift install, it was getting dark outside, so maybe it wasn't the clearest. But yeah, just let me know if I need to maybe have like a light with the camera or something like that. But yep, just let me know. Until the next one, I think the next video I got the cooling mods to do, and I also have new power steering lines because the other ones were leaking on the car. So I might try to do both those at the same time, um, all in one video. I don't know if that'd be good or bad for everybody, but just let me know, and thanks for watching.